Defense against a turkey with a Victorinox Classic. This is a bad one, guys. When I made my last video about defense against a turkey, I had no idea the level of devastation that was going on out there. Turkeys are far more powerful than I imagined, and I have to admit I grossly underestimated this challenge. I've been doing further research on this foe, and I've discovered turkeys are particularly violent toward and effective against vehicles and some buildings. If you encounter a turkey, it is best to avoid vehicles and buildings, as it will escalate the violence. I will continue to do research and bring you the latest in self-defense techniques this turkey season. Stay tuned. Stay safe out there. Bye.